Hi, Chef Robert Irvine here for Bodybuilding.com, and today I'm going to teach you something about corn. We're going to make a dish called summer sweet corn or summer street corn, whichever way you like to go. Remember, you can get different types and different colors of corn: yellow, bicolor, or white. And they're all just as good, some sweeter than others. Sweet corn's really simple, it's great in potassium and protein. So this is a fresh, healthy, my take on street corn. Great, we're gonna take our corn, season it, oil it, barbecue it. Put it on the grill, get it nice and succulent. Then we're gonna make a dressing. And the dressing is where it gets nice and healthy. Miso paste. Miso paste is just fermented soybeans, but you're gonna buy it as its finished product like this instead of mayonnaise. Into our bowl. It's got a very different nutty flavor. We're gonna take some rice wine vinegar and just mix that together. While the corn is on the grill outside getting nice and charred and flavorful, this just adds kind of a different depth, a deeper flavor, sweeter. We're gonna take a little cayenne, or if you want to add some sambalolic, if you want it really spicy, you can do that also. Some garlic. Now garlic is the key to this. I'm gonna chop some. And if you like garlic, put a lot in. If you don't, you don't have to. And you mince it up, just nice and fine. Now remember, this is going on top of the corn, so that you don't want big chunks of garlic. You want little ones, so it dissipates nicely on the corn, gives great flavor. There we go. Into our bowl. Mix, 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 mix. Some scallion. Now you notice I haven't put any salt. Right now I've got bacon rendering. Bacon, everything tastes better with bacon. When we render the bacon, it takes all that fat out, but we want a texture of crispiness when it goes on top of the corn. So I am gonna add a little pepper into our dressing. No salt. And the obligatory acid. Acid is great for digestion, also has great flavor. In there. You want to get the best out of your limes, microwave them for about 30 seconds, get the essential oils out of the skin, and voila. There we are. Simple dressing can be made easy and the day before. Okay, our corn is already done. Nice golden brown, as you can see here. That means all the sugar has come out of it. It's got great flavor. All I'm gonna do is take our sauce over the top of that nice warm corn. And this is a great dish you can get your kids to help you with. A little bit more scallion. Some feta cheese. You can use any cheese that you like. I like feta cheese. And a little bit of microgreens. Again, if you don't want to use the microgreens, you don't have to. Don't forget the bacon. The bacon is already salty, that's why you didn't see me add salt. There we have a simple dish of summer corn or summer street corn, made simple. This is Chef Robert Irvine for Bodybuilding.com. Stay tuned for more healthy and fun recipes.